In this video, we're going to look at how to manage and how to cancel your subscription rewards ordering. So let's start by logging in. You enter your username here, your password here, and click login. It's important to bear in mind that as I'm in the test environment, my screens will load slower than yours do in your back office. If you wish to update the date of your subscription rewards, just click on the icon here, change the date, and then click confirm here. It's as easy as that. If I want to change anything else on my automatic ordering, click manage subscription here. This will bring me to the review page where I can see all the details of my subscription rewards. When the page loads, we'll see that we have our shipping information we can edit here, our payment information we can edit here, our shopping cart information we can edit here, and our dates and frequency we can edit here. We can also add in a coupon here, and there'll be a My Coupons button in your back office here. And if I'm business building and want to ensure this is a qualifying order, I need to look here. For today's example, we want to make sure this is a qualifying order, so we're going to add products to the shopping cart. So I need to scroll down to the edit button here to change the products and click edit. And then I can just click add more products on this screen here. That will bring me back to the product page, and I want to add a few shakes into the order. So I'm going to click on shakes on the left hand side here, and then find the chocolate shake canisters, which is here, and I can click add to cart. However, if I do want to learn more about the product, I can click on this eye icon up the top here. This will show me more information about the product, as well as the ingredients and nutrition information here. Another feature of automatic ordering is that I have this add to next order only button. As I already have standard products in my cart, if I only want this product to be in the following cart and not in future orders, I can click this button. So that means that I would be purchasing the shake in my next order, but I wouldn't see it in future orders unless I added it in again. For this order, I'm going to add 2 to the cart, so I click the plus button and then click add to cart. I can either continue shopping by adding more products or view cart and checkout, which is what I'm going to do now. I'll then come back to the My Cart section, where I can see that my order is over the 100 points, so it's a qualifying order. And I can see that I added in my 2 Dutch chocolate shake canisters, and they're on the next order run, so they will drop off after this one. I'm going to click Review Subscription, and it's important to note that my changes aren't yet saved in the system. On the final page, what I need to do is click the Save Changes button, which will be here, and then they will be reflected in the system. You'll see this message, please click Save Changes to confirm updates to your subscription order. So when I click this button, my subscription will be managed and I will have the new details in place. My changes have now been saved. I can click Close. And as I'm in the test environment, I'm going to log out and then log back in to show you how to cancel your subscription rewards ordering. Again, we log in by putting in the username here, the password here, and clicking login. In the subscription section, I then need to click Manage Subscription. Again, this will bring me back to the final page where there will be a button on the bottom right where I can cancel my subscription. All I do is scroll down, I can see the button here, and I can click Cancel My Subscription. This message will then appear, inviting me to modify the date of my next order if I wish, or update the frequency. If you have too many products in your cart, you're welcome to reduce the size of the shopping cart if you want to do a smaller order, or if you want to postpone the date into the future, you're welcome to do so. However, if you do wish to cancel your automatic ordering, click on this box here. It will give you a list of options to choose as to why you're cancelling your automatic ordering. For myself, I'm going to click on I have too much product today, and then I'm going to click cancel subscription. And there you have it. My subscription's been cancelled. I'll have an email confirmation that I no longer have it on the account. And then when I go back to the home page, I will see there's no automatic ordering on my account any further. So that's how we manage and also how we cancel our subscription rewards order. Thanks very much for watching.